Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies ninyo ngayong third quarter ng 2025, July, August, September. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so Libra, let's see. Ano yung energies for you third quarter ng 2025? Third quarter for Libra 2025. Wind. Wind beneath my wings. Yun agad din pumasok sa isip ko. Wind is like your thoughts, yung iyong mga naiisip. Maaaring magkakaroon ka ng creative ideas. Maaaring meron kang mga bagong may isip na can be a new job, a new career, or business. This is also about releasing stuck energy, no? Maari kasing iba sa inyo, ngayon, nararamdaman nyo na parang walang nagbabago sa buhay nyo. You feel like you are stagnant ka dyan sa trabaho, career mo, parang walang pag-unlad, no? So, ngayong third quarter ng 2025, ayan yung transition mo. Ay, makikita mo dyan yung progress mo. Makikita mo na unti-unti nang nagkakaroon ng bunga yung iyong mga itinanim. O, pwedeng literal yan na magtatanim ka, but this is also about metaphorical na meron kang sinimula, nag-effort ka, and eventually, you will see the results, yung improvement. Kasi syempre, no, kung wala tayong gagawing action, anong hinihintay natin na resulta, 'di ba? Kung wala tayong action, 'di ba? So, if you are going to take action sa mga ideas mo, then definitely, meron kang maasahan na resulta. So, magbabase ang resulta na yan sa efforts na ibibigay mo. Okay? So, ano man tong gusto mong simulan, this can be an idea of a new business, a career, a new source of income, or even a type of relationship na gusto mong pasukin. As long as you have the courage and the effort to make it happen, okay? You will be able to receive yung resulta na gusto mo. This is also about cleansing. Maaring meron kang you are going to detoxify, release the negative energies around you. Maraming ways to do that, no? Pag-iwas rin, no, sa mga toxic situation, toxic environment, people na nakakasama mo. So, pwede rin tong pagdi-declutter sa bahay ninyo. Kasi ang pagdi-declutter, paglilinis, nakakatulong yan na mag-invite ng mga bagong energies that will improve your life. Okay? You also have wave. Wave is about connection to yourself, no? Connection sa sarili mo. So this is you connecting to your higher self, to your center. Okay? So this can be very spiritual for you, Libra. Kasi you are finally realizing what needs, kung ano yung dapat nyong i-align or ayusin sa sarili ninyo. Mga bagay na kailangan nyong i-let go para magbigay kayo ng space sa mga bagong experiences, bagong opportunities. You also have the crane. Crane is about longevity. This is about commitment, faith, and devotion. So kung committed ka sa iyong pangarap, dun sa mga gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay, definitely, you will experience success kasi nandun yung commitment mo eh. 'Di ba? Kahit trabaho pa yan, relationship, if you are committed to something that you want to develop, makikita mo ang magandang resulta niyan eventually. Okay? Let's see what else. For Libra, third quarter. Seven of Pentacles. This is patience. Patiently waiting to come things into fruition. So, para kang nagtanim talaga rito, no? Hinihintay mo kung kailan mo na pwedeng anihin yung mga tinanim mo. Kasi pag minadali mo 'to, ang makukuha mo ay hindi pa hinog, 'di ba? Kumbaga sa analogy ng pagtatanim. So, it's a time for you to nourish, alagaan kung ano yung mga nasimulan mo, andun yung commitment mo, and eventually you will see great results. You also have the King of Cups. So this is love, care, nurturing energy na talagang may action. Hindi lang siya puro emotions but also taking action. Water ito, no? Tapos may pananim. So pagdidilig, 'di ba? So part 'yan ng pag-aalaga. Pag-aalaga mo sa trabaho mo, pag-aalaga mo sa sarili mo, sa relationship mo. Kailangan dinidiligan. 'Di ba? So, kung sa pangarap mo, sa trabaho mo, syempre you have to show up, no? Ayusin mo yung performance mo, yung pakikitungo mo rin sa iba. Kung sa business yan, o galingan mo pa. Sa negosyo, sa relationship naman, be there for your person. Kasi kung ano yung inaalagaan mo, yun talaga yung mag-aalaga rin sa'yo pabalik eh. 'Di ba? You have the world. So this is achievement. Meron kang recognition. Maaring meron kang major na sinet na intention na matutupad, mangyayari. You will achieve. Some of you, this can be an opportunity sa ibang bansa, sa ibang lugar. Okay? You have the Ten of Cups. Oh my God. The Ten of Cups is happiness, fulfillment. So pagdating sa relationship, maaring you will also experience ng maayos na pakikitungo mo ninyo sa isa't isa ng partner mo. Or a loving relationship, a loving family. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng merong opportunity sa ibang bansa, no? Kasama yung family ninyo. Pwedeng kayo ay doon na mag-migrate. Or a family member will be there to sponsor you. You have the Ace of Swords, which is good news. Merong good news ngayong third quarter. This can be an opportunity for your family. Pwedeng meron kayong mabibiling property or makakapag-relocate kayo ng bahay or may mga isi-celebrate kayo for your family members. Let's see your money, career, finances for Libra. You have the Four of Swords. Wala ka masyadong iisipin pagdating sa pera, sa resources mo. This is about taking a rest, pahinga. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng dyan sa span na yan ng July, August, September, magbabakasyon grande ka na magpapahinga ka. Pwedeng yung bakasyon na yan sa ibang bansa or you will be with your family. That is healing. Yung iba naman sa inyo, kung nagkaroon kayo ng financial struggles in the past, ngayong third quarter, maaayos mo yan. Makaka-recover ka. Maayos mo na yung flow mo ng cash flow mo. Yung income mo. Sa relationship, you have the High Priestess. This is about wisdom, knowledge, and also trust, faithfulness. Okay? So, pagdating sa relationship, it is important na you have the same, meron kayong parehong goal, no? Para sa relationship ninyo. And to get to know your person. Kung nasa bagong relationship ka, gagawa kayo ng paraan para mas makilala nyo pa yung isa't isa by spending more time talking to each other. You have Moon in Virgo in the 6th house. So this is about your health. Maaring ngayon, pagtutuunan mo rin ng pansin ng kalusugan mo. Ang health naman, hindi lang physical yan. That can be emotional, mental, spiritual health. Diba? You have Venus in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Yung iba sa inyo, ang person ninyo ay, it's either long distance relationship abroad or foreigner. You have Mars in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Okay, 9th house is about learning. Maaring meron kang ipupursue na gusto mong aralin na hindi mo nagagawa before. So, ngayong third quarter, magagawa mo na siya. Kasi talagang ipipilit mo na siyang mangyari. Oo. You also have change. Ooh. A resistance to change is a resistance to life itself. Open your heart and mind to new beginnings. Yes. Magiging bukas ka sa mga pagbabago na mangyayari sa'yo. Lagi naman yan eh. I mean, normal yan na may pagbabago sa buhay natin kasi yan yung mga phases, no? Or chapters ng buhay natin na kakaharapin natin. And yan yung tumutulong sa atin na mas lumago, mag-improve, mag-upgrade sa buhay. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.